First thing you're going to want to do is take your U-bolt and your mount. You want to make sure that your breakaway is facing the correct way, breaking away towards the back of the bar. You're going to install your U-bolt over the bar. You're going to slide up the breakaway over the U-bolt. You're going to install your washer and your nut. Once you have your bolts tightened up and snugged up, you're going to want to torque them to 170 foot-pounds, front and back. You want to make sure when running in the field that you remove your transport pin so that your breakaway can actually break away. We have our breakaway tightened up on our bar. We're going to install our riser tube and our base unit. So our riser tube, 2 holes on the bottom, that's our bottom that goes to the base unit. Slide it on, put your pin right through. Take your base unit and your riser tube. There's 3 holes on the side. You can pick which setting you want to run it in. So if you want to run it in the lowest setting, you can put it down in the lowest setting. If you want to adjust it, raise it up all the way up and put it in the bottom hole. That's your adjustment on your Y-DROP Sidedress. Your last step is going to be installing your drag hoses. You're going to take your hose, slide it up on the hose barb, then you're going to tighten up your hose clamp. Do the same for the other side. And make sure the natural curve of the hose is going out towards the corn plant. Then your drag hoses are installed. So when your hose comes off of your toolbar down to your Y-DROP base, it might not match up. So the 360 Y-DROP Sidedress comes with a adapter kit that you can cut your hose on your applicator and put this 2-piece adapter together, and it should adapt right into the Y-DROP base.